What's the meaning of child abuse? Child abuse. Child abuse.
Child abuse. Child abuse. Child abuse refers to any harmful or violent treatment inflicted on a child, including physical, emotional, sexual, or neglectful acts. The effects of child abuse can be long-lasting and severe, resulting in physical and psychological trauma, difficulty forming healthy relationships, low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, and even suicide. Children who experience abuse may also struggle academically and have an increased risk of developing substance abuse disorders and engaging in criminal behavior later in life. It is important to identify and report suspected cases of child abuse to protect vulnerable children and prevent further harm.